Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you all the ways to contact Cash App support, so make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Cash App on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, tap on your profile icon at top right corner of your screen and scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Now select Support, scroll down and tap on Start a Chat. Or you can just select any type of issue you are currently facing. After that, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Contact Support. Since I selected a card issue, it is asking if the issue is about a transaction. So I will select Not About a Transaction, and now I am able to talk with the support team. Other than that, you can also contact them on their contact number if you want. And that's how you can contact Cash App support. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.